Hello, good morning, boys and girls. So I had said if you were in my class that I would show you us setting up the incubator. I set it up on Tuesday, I believe, but we were having some issues with the temperature. We had it down in our basement. Our basement's pretty cold and it was having a hard time heating up to the appropriate temperature. In order to have an incubator that's actually going to incubate fertilized chicken eggs, you have to have a certain humidity and you also have to have a certain temperature, okay? So I had showed you guys this, a hygrometer, okay? The big number there is how much moisture is in the air, and that's called the humidity level. And then the little number is the actual temperature inside of the incubator. In order for baby chicks to hatch from these eggs, the temperature has to be between 99.5 and 101 degrees. And we want the humidity level to be between 40 and 50%. Right now it's at 21%, and it's going to get down because I'm going to be letting out a lot of the humidity when I put the eggs in here. So I brought some water with me to add a little bit of humidity to the incubator. Now, boys and girls, your store-bought eggs will not hatch, so don't try to hatch them. Don't try to go out and buy an incubator and hatch them or put them under a warm light. They will not hatch if they're store-bought, okay? These are chicken eggs from my chickens at home, and as you can see, if you get a little closer, they're different colors. We actually have kind of a bluish green one. We've got brown ones that are speckled. We have white ones, okay? And I'm going to tell you the different breeds that we have. So if you have time, you can go and search these on either Epic or Google with permission from a parent, of course. So these white eggs come from a chicken called a leghorn, okay? So we have a leghorn. These brown ones come from black astrolorps, and also the lighter ones come from buff orpingtons, which are my favorite. They're kind of a goldish color. And then these bluish green ones come from chickens called Easter eggers or Americanas. And those are really pretty chickens and they're very unique. So we're gonna put in 24 eggs, it looks like, today. So we will see how many of those hatch. I've had fairly good luck with this incubator. I think at times I've had 10% not hatch. At times I've had 0% not hatch, which would mean 100% of them hatch. We put them in small side down. Now if these were underneath a hen, she would be constantly, much time do I have left?
About a minute and a half.
Okay. If we had these actually underneath a hen, she would be constantly pecking at them and moving them and messing with them throughout the day. We cannot do that because we need to have this temperature controlled and humidity controlled. So this yellow thing I have in here is called an egg turner. And what it'll do is it'll slowly turn these eggs back and forth 4 times in a 24-hour period, which will imitate what a mother hen would do. I'm going to put these all in here. I'm going to add the water in. And then in 7 days, we are going to do something called candling. Okay, so next week, probably next Friday, I will candle these eggs and you will get a chance to see what candling is. Chickens to look up: Leghorn, Buff Orpington, and Easter egger or Americana. Have a good day, boys and girls.